guys, magtatanggal kami mga beads. Something special. Sige. Nakakuha akong flower. Isda. Fish. Sardines. Atas avocado. Wow! Special zone. A Lego. Let's put it right here. OMG, a milk. OMG, I see a seahorse. A starfish. Starfish. A shell. A seahorse. A diamond. Literally, a diamond. Diamond. The special ones. A shell. Shelly. I love Shelly. Yeah, Shelly is so energetic and I love the...
What's this one? What's this?
Look. Wait,
this
it's a seahorse.
Not this.
What is? Oh,
There's a trash.
it's trash. A shell.
What's this one?
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Look.
What's this?
Another diamond. Ilagay mo dyan. Yan yung mga special. Diamond.
Wait.
Ay, hindi to diamond.
What's this one?
But special pa rin. Smooth like butter. Alright. The super special ones go here of coffee. Let's see. OMG, another diamond. Another diamond. This is not real, okay? OMG, another one. Another one, thank you.